In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a GoDaddy coupon at checkout to save money. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to apply your promo code, and how to confirm the discount before you pay, so you don't miss out on any savings. First, open your browser and head to the GoDaddy website. Sign into your account using your email and password so your card and billing details sync correctly. If you stay signed out, you might see different pricing or be asked to log in later, which can slow things down. Once you're in, browse for the product or service you want, whether it's a domain, hosting, email, or security, and click Add to Cart. Take a moment here to choose the right plan length and options. For example, some discounts apply primarily to the first term, and add-ons like privacy or backups may change the total, so it's smart to pick what you actually need before applying the code. When you're ready, click the cart icon in the top right corner to open your order. This page shows everything you're about to buy, including quantities, durations, and any optional extras. Review it carefully. If you see a higher than expected total, check for default upsells you don't want or longer terms than intended. Now find the promo code or coupon code field in your cart. Paste your code into that box and select Apply. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, as that can cause it to fail. Most orders accept only one code, and some categories may be excluded, so if the code doesn't work, it could be expired or not valid for those items. Around this point, if you need quick access to GoDaddy, I've placed a direct link to the website at the very top of the description so you can get there fast and follow along. After you click Apply, verify that the discount actually shows on the order summary. Look for the reduced price or a line item that reflects the promo, and double check the subtotal. Keep in mind that taxes and fees usually aren't discounted, and currency or region can influence availability. Also confirm whether the discount applies only to the first term or renewals as well, so there are no surprises later. When everything looks correct, continue to checkout to complete your purchase with the applied coupon. Confirm your contact and billing details, choose your payment method, and give the order one last review to ensure the promo is still active on the final screen before you place it. That's how you can use GoDaddy coupons at checkout to save money step by step. If this helped, please like the video, and don't forget to check the link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.